make armor really quickly. And I'm gonna fill up on shit. More mesh after I make this armor. Who the fuck is humping me?
Yo, give him printer resin. You just got this fruit roll up.
Out of ink. Sucker. Make my mesh, bitch.
How much you got? How much you got?
65.
Ah.
Ah, damn, you're pushing me back. What?
Just adding all I can to you.
Okay.
I probably shouldn't have refilled the 3D printer.
Yeah, probably, so we can get more. But I mean, I guess you just need to fill up again.
I only have 55 now.
Oh my god. Well, I guess someone has to be max.
Beavers, how many do you have?
975.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Stupid idiot.
Hey, don't fill it up! Don't fill it up! Don't fill it up!
Okay.
Give him printer resin.
What are you doing, dipshit?
I can't stand up. There we go.
I told you,
bullied.
Your ass back.
I feel like I'm getting bullied right now.
What?
Get in the corner.
I'm trying. Can't carry anymore. Can't carry anymore.
I know. That's the point. It gives us 100 every time it falls out of your back.
Oh.
Look at that.
Huh.
I just got 400 more.
That's broken.
You keep doing that, and I'm gonna fill up 3D printer and make more mesh.
Ah, we have broke the system.
At least they didn't pass this.
I think I broke it. Where did it all go?
I picked it up.
Oh damn.
He's picking it up over there.
I have 800.
Oh my god.
Actually, I just put 900 3D printer, so that's 800 that you just dropped. Now I can't carry anymore. I'll fill it back up.
Don't fill it up, dude. The other dude.
I'm the only one filling that because I'm picking up the shit that you are dropping. Damn, I can't carry any more mesh tech.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
God damn. So
Like,
many?
Oh my god, it's so much.
Well, you need fucking batteries to make mesh tech armor? What the fuck? Hell no, boy.
Well, there we go, boys. We got like a shit ton of printer resin.
I'm not using all my batteries for that shit. Fuck that. Fuck mesh tech armor. Help! I got it, I got it.
I feel like it might be glitched right here because of how much shit I put.
Oh. Bitch.
Bring my arrow back. Stuck in the side of your head.
Alright, I'm popping pills. Don't fucking
Anyone
shoot
need
me
any
again.
arrows?
No, I am maxed out.
Yeah, let's see if we can duplicate the tech masks. Why not? What if I give you some while you're max? I don't really think it does anything.
Just gonna give you more tech mesh.
Oh, duplicate it?
Oh. It's only printer ink because it goes in bundles of hundreds, not ones. They gotta give us more batteries if tech mesh needs a fucking battery to work.
Right?
That's some candy ass bullshit.
about to go up top.
Oh my.
Fuck.
An arrow back, bitch.
There's some retards. A couple. Can't tell how many yet.
Told you they would.
Not that many, just a couple. Just sucks I can't really
Red
fucking
fat
see.
cocksucker up there.
Hey, you guys know about 3D printing bullets? No, I'm playing.
That'd just be buckshot for a fucking pistol. That's all that'd be.
My fucking flashlight sucks. Holy shit.
Yeah, so does mine. I
I'm
feel like you
about to
see better
sleep
without the
already.
flashlight.
I'm about to go downstairs and sleep, so it'll be daylight again. Fuck.
Yeah.
Where's the fucking opening? There it is.
I just covered it up with snow.
Yeah, I see that. There we go. First it wouldn't let me.
Shut up.
Bitch.
Pussy.
What's up, pussy fart? Do you believe in love after life? What are you 3D printing now?
3D
Kinda
printing
sleep
some
up
sleep.
Yep.
Need to save first.
2 out of 3.
Especially since we just got the compound built.
Yep.
Save after you sleep.
Oh, you suck my dick. How about that?
A little bit of this. Eat some of this. What up, bro?
Oh, pussy bitch! Finally!
Shut the fuck up, god damn.
Finally!
God
fucking
damn.
pussy! Waiting on fucking week. You know it's true too, you little faggot.
Bitch, I told you I wouldn't get on Friday, and I said Saturday is a maybe.
Been waiting on you to get on all day, pussy. You didn't even answer my text.
Oh, text messages.
Say that when a slap taste out of your mouth.
I really don't be reading them shit most of the time. Shirley texted me earlier when I was at the barbershop. She told me to bring home tortillas and fucking onions. I honestly didn't look at my phone until I got back to the house. And then I had to go back out to the store.
What do you want to play, pussy?
Yeah, I'm already playing Sons of the Forest. Just continue playing that.
Yeah, but we on fucking Beaver server.
So,
We gotta finish our story.
we literally made it to the end.
No, we didn't. That's not the end. That wasn't the end.
We didn't make it to the very end, but we made it to the end.
Uh-huh. Shot him straight in his asshole. Stupid bitch. Because I'm not posting what we're playing on Beaver server until after we finish our server.
This fucking creepy crawler go. Oh, there you are. Motherfucker. Throw a snowball, then run away.
So all
Oh, I
of those
found one.
videos gonna be up when you and fucking JPMRC or whatever the fuck.
Yeah, after JPMRC.
Alright.
Plus, we don't even have the revolver yet in our server. Oh, you guys don't, but I do. You little creepy bitch. How come we came into their own camp and just
There,
completely
guys.
raped them?
My homie's calling me. I'll hop back if he dips. See ya.
Alright, later,
Okay.
bro.
I'll be back.
Take it.
Maybe.
Alright. Our server, his server, fatty. Cappy.
I
I'm
mean, it
calling
don't
you.
matter. Y'all already.
If y'all want to run what y'all want to run, that's fine. I can swap over to something else.
And plus, we just saved too, anyways. We're not in anything serious.
Yeah, so it's no biggie.
We pretty much just been fucking around.
Yep.
We actually might be able to finish the
man.
game tonight if y'all want to, unless y'all want to finish the base first.
I might be swapping games if y'all are trying to run it. But
Run what?
y'all shit.
You're on our
Oh,
server,
fucking-
so why wouldn't you play with us?
No, I meant they all want me to fucking play Fortnite too.
Fuck them
I'm about to
faggots.
say he been playing the forest for a minute. I bet.
You play goddamn Fortnite every fucking day, almost.
Finally.
Let the man play his Fortnite.
That shit gay.
I don't think so.
So let the man play his Fortnite.
What's up to McCree at this point? Beaver's little fat ass don't want to make up his mind.
What?
It didn't. It don't really matter to me. I just was getting on for a little bit, just to get some time on.
Well, it depends. Do you want to finish the game tonight, or do you want to finish our base first?
Finish the game tonight. That's gonna take way too much time.
No, it wouldn't. We literally gotta walk into one room. It's gonna take like 2 hours, maybe. Actually, maybe even less, because it's literally walking into a cave door. Beavers already knows where the ending door is.
Yep. Plus, I got the map pulled up on my other screen.
Yeah, but I thought we needed like an armor or some shit.
What? Okay.
I said I thought we needed like an armor or some shit. You know the armor that's on the wall for the on the poster in the first printing machine room we went in?
No.
You ain't pay attention to that?
No.
Yeah, I said it when we first went in there. I was like, well, what the fuck is this armor? I was like, I hope we get that eventually. I wonder,
the
'cause
mesh
somebody
armor.
said, yeah, somebody said we need
You need
an
a lot of
armor.
batteries.
Yeah, somebody said we need an armor to actually end the game.
Well, we went through every cave. The only cave that we haven't actually looked through was the fucking shovel cave. We went through every cave other than that. Oh, fuck! Found these
How the
zipper heads.
fuck?
About, 2 of them! 2 zipper heads! Ah! Fuck you, asshole. Ah! Beavers!
What?
Oh no, and we got a lazy fucker! Oh no, 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 no! I'm getting out of here. No, I'm being chased by the 2 zipper heads and the fucking little worm guy.
Why the fuck was there zipper heads up here anyways? They're normally always in the cave.
I don't know, but it's fucking
Good thing we just saved.
wormy cocksucker.
Come on, where's the fucking hang glider when we need it?
Fuck you, assholes! Leave me alone. I'm about to just slide down the mountain with my sled.
Oh yeah, I forgot that
They're
was.
following me! Help! I don't have time to pull that shit out, bro. Fuck you,
How do I use
dickhead.
it?
I don't know. I've never used it before. They're chasing me, beavers. No, I can't get away. Okay, I'm away from them now. They're running at you now.
Oh, you bastard.
Nope, he changed directions. What are you coming to me now for, you fucking cocksucker? Hurry up, pull the sled out, pull the sled out.
I don't know how to use it.
What's his name was using it?
Ah, zipper.
How do you use this piece of shit?
I don't know. I'm going down. Did you use it? Or are you just running?
I'm running. I don't know how to use it.
I don't either. Fuck you, deer. Where the fuck did those fuckers come from?
This skinny dickhead bitch over here is trying to fucking get me. We have to lay it on the ground?
What the fuck?
I just seen old dude jumping it when we were in the lab.
What the fuck?
What are we doing, Cappy? Figure your life out, nerd. Oh, I figured it out! You gotta jump and push R2. Ah! Oh, I'm going down the mountain! Ah! Oh, shit! I'm flying down the mountain. What?
I can't see! Ah! I'm in the water. How do I exit? Fuck, I'm stuck. Never mind, I'm not.
God damn it. I want to go back up to the end of the mountain now.
Yeah, I know, right?
That shit was fun as fuck. Yeah, baby! Hell yeah, put that shit in the water. There ain't nothing in your way in the water. Yeah, yeah, boy. Woo! Cat, get on, bitch.
You're still in the game. I don't know.
Dude, it's like we're wakeboarding.
This shit fucking fun,
Holy
boy.
shit! We're bouncing off the rocks.
Y'all ride the sleds?
What?
Y'all ride the sleds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This shit. Hell yeah, boy. This is way better than the fucking hang glider. Hell yeah.
It's a little bit of both. A little bit of both. It's pretty dope. I personally like the hang gliders.
Oh, you can jump in the sled. I'm gonna do that another. I'm gonna go back up.
What did they add in the update?
Hang glider and I think some more caves. They also had a helipads. I'm going back up, Beavers.
Oh, fuck.
I want to do that shit again, bro. That shit was fun as fuck.
I want to go to the highest point.
That's why I'm going to the water. It's much easier than hitting all them fucking trees.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they added a defensive wall gate.
Finally! Thank you, guys!
Oh, they added a mid boss fight into the food bunker.
Food bunker?
Yeah, the food bunker we go into. It was the second cave. It was the second big cave we went into. Well, not big, but like.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's the one with all the food and shit in it, like the food shells and shit. They apparently added more story elements, new headshot death animation variations.
So yeah, just hop on Beaver server. So we definitely should not finish the game, especially if they're adding more storyline into it. And then after while I'm at JPMRC, it'll give them more time to fucking figure their lives out.
Well, in this game?
Yeah, to get more storyline into the game.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's not finish it just yet. At least it'll give us time to build up our house and shit too.
Okay, now fish traps should now work and catch fish every 5
Oh, now
to
they
10
don't
minutes.
scream Rachel slurs at you now.
I know they had to fix that shit.
Now it's just the start of the word. Well, it sounds like to us.
Yeah, it sounds like they're trying to not say the N-word. They go, nah, 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 nah. Danny fuckhead. Yeah, you can jump while you're riding in the sled, Beavers.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you just use the same jump button. I didn't know it either till I got down to the very bottom of the river.
I wonder if you go off like waterfalls now.
No!
Oh, like I said, remember when I was saying my key wasn't working?
I don't know.
Yeah, in the entertainment bunker, the one with the strip club and shit. So
Yeah.
my keys wasn't working. They fixed it. I knew I wasn't tweaking. I was like, bro, my keys ain't working.
You were tweaking.
No, they fixed it. They literally said they fixed key card guests not opening the 2 doors in Bunker Entertainment.
Damn, where the end of this river at?
Oh, they
I
fixed
don't
some
know.
potential
Oh,
issues on
okay.
multiplayer disconnect. The issue we got last time.
Yes, sir. So we'll. Okay, the big waterfall up here. We need to get around it.
Oh, so we can test it?
We can just take our sleds off the waterfall. This is gonna be fun now that we know how to
Oh,
work
they
these things.
fixed a lot of shit. God damn.
I hope they add a lot more storyline into it on the next update. Hey, are you on the main screen still?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking, does it say if there's when the next update is? Yet?
10 days.
11
23
days.
hours.
I
Okay,
was
so
watching.
yeah, we'll be back from JPMRC like right after it updates. Fuck, it's foggy as fuck. Alright, I'm gonna wait for you, Beavers. You don't run very fast with your sleds in your hand either. I wish they would have turned the sound of this water down! Oh, Cap. Cap. Now you don't hear the fucking, now it doesn't have static in the fucking radio anymore. You know how, like, when you'd accidentally slide over the radio, it'd be like... So they took this shit out. Where you at, fat boy?
Right behind you.
Oh. Alright, let's go. We might have to do this when the water's not frozen, but let's try it.
I got it.
Fuck. Water's frozen, idiot.
I figured that out too.
Fuck, that means Cat's gotta get all his equipment on this server. Okay, that works too. So that works too. Oh shit, I'm under the water. What the fuck?
Now I'm dead. What the fuck?
How'd you die?
I don't know.
Here, I got you.
It's so dark.
I went under the water. What the fuck? Okay, now let's go. Get on land. Oh, what the fuck? No!
There we go.
Okay. Yes, sir. Woo! Woo! And you can glide off the land too? Yes, sir. Hell yeah, baby! Fucking rock. Woo! Oh! 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 Where you at, Beavers?
I just got back in the sled. I was trying to regen some health.
Fuck! 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 Oh!
You go so fast.
I know, you go fast as fuck. Yeah. You dumbass bitch, Caprice. The sleds are useless. Fuck you. Shit's badass.
Even though I keep on running into all the rocks.
I ain't said it was useless. I said, what the fuck are you making it for?
This! Exactly what we're doing right now.
But did you
Having
know you
fun.
could do that when you were making it?
Yes.
No.
I
Lying
didn't.
ass bitch.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did, because I watched somebody on TikTok do it. I just didn't really care for it until now.
I thought you were allowed to jump. It won't let me jump over these
I don't think
rocks.
it'll let you jump in the water. I don't know. I mean, you jumped whenever you were on the ice earlier.
Yeah, I know. That was weird.
Woo!
Ah, fuck you, tree.
Trying to maneuver around these rocks is a bitch.
Yeah, I know.
Especially when my sled keeps turning fucking sideways. I'm a fucking child, dude.
Keep moving.
I'm gonna make a piss really quickly.
Damn it.
somebody built a tent over here? Put on a cave?
That was uneventful.
Cap, you remember when I told you we were trying to get Brianna's girlfriend to pop by?
Yeah.
This bitch literally flaked the fuck out on him. He texted her, said, "You still down to come?" Literally 8 o'clock that night, she says, "What?" I was like, "Bitch, you know exactly what you need." And she's like, "Oh yeah, I fell asleep. I think I'm gonna go." And then Brianna was like, "Well, you can still come over. We're still sitting here." She's like, "Yeah, I'm gonna go back to sleep. I'm still tired." I was like, "Damn, Bree, going through it."